So let's bring Endy back to the stage. Originally from Brazil, Endy is a PhD student in agronomy. See, I told you agronomy was well represented.
Woo! Oh, I'm sorry. I forgot I had the microphone.
You can be louder than that, I know it. When she's not working on her research, Endy loves painting, reading, going on walks with her dog, and teaching about soils. She's interested in studying soil microbes to fight climate change and food insecurity. Her long-term career goal is to become a great college professor that changes people's lives through education. Please welcome Endy Lopes Kailer.
Have you ever bought a houseplant, hoping and promising to take care of it, only to find it wilting away a few weeks later? Well, our planet is actually very similar to that neglected houseplant. Let's talk about climate change. The main cause of climate change is the accumulation of greenhouse gases, such as CO2, in the atmosphere. These gases trap heat from the sun, increasing global temperatures and altering many natural cycles in our planet. For instance, in the past 150 years alone, we have released 40% more CO2, more than we've ever did before. But what if I tell you that the solution for the climate crisis might be right here, right under our feet? Yes, of course I'm talking about our soils. Did you know that our soils hold more carbon than all vegetation and air combined? And that the plants have the ability to grab that CO2 and use it to build their own bodies through the process of photosynthesis. And when those plants die, that carbon returns to our soils in the form of organic matter, improving nutrient cycling and soil health. And that is exactly the focus of my research. I am studying a group of soil microorganisms called arbuscular mycorrhizal fungi, or AMF for short, that associate with the roots of around 80% of all the living plants. And when the fungus is present, the root systems expand up to 300 times, allowing the plants to get much more water and nutrients, which translates in a lot of carbon getting sent to our soils. But it's not all fun and games. Agricultural practices that disturb the soils, such as tillage, break down fungal structures that tend to function like a spider web, but under the ground, wiping out AMF communities. But what I've been doing in my lab is using a commercial product that add pieces of the fungus to the soils. Those pieces turn into brand new individuals, reestablishing those communities so we can finally benefit from their ecosystem services. And I've got great news. My preliminary results are showing fungal communities getting reestablished and plant growth getting promoted. And it's my job for the next few years to track how much carbon can we send to our soils if we only stop treating it like dirt. Well, just like that neglected houseplant, our planet requires immediate care. It is time for us to dig deep and allow our soils to cultivate the roots of a promise of a better world for all of you, for me, and for the next generations to come. Thank you so much.